So welcome back to the video series under Ohm's Law. So here is the part 3 of this video. So if you missed the part 1 and the part 2, kindly check the description of this video. You'll find a link to those videos. If you are yet to subscribe to PA Academy, please click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon beside the subscribe button. So now this is the example 3. It says calculate the current through a 2 kilo ohm resistor if the voltage drop across it is 18 volts. So let's solve this. So in questions like this, the first thing you should always do is to bring out your parameters. So we are given that, let's look at it again. The current, I can calculate the current through a 2 kilo ohm resistor. So we are given a resistor with a resistance of 2 kilo ohm. If the voltage drop across it is 18 volts, so we are also given the volts, and we are looking for current. So if you know all these things, if you're able to pick all these things from the question, then you're as good as I'm just applying the formula to get your answer. So let's write out those things. So we are giving the resistance is 2 kilo ohm. So which is, that's 2 times 10 raised to the power 3 ohms. And then we are giving the voltage. Our voltage is 18 volts. So we are looking for the current. So we are looking for the current. So let's bring in the formula. That is V is equals to IR. But right now we are looking for the current I. So if we make I the subject of the formula, that will be I is equals to V over R. That is voltage over resistance. So let's put in the figures now. So we have our voltage to be 18 over, then our resistance is 2 times 10 raised to the power 3. So 18 divided by 2, that will give us 9. So 10 raised to the power 3, if you should come up, that will be 9 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. So don't forget your units, amperes. 9 times 10 raised to the power 3 amperes. Always remember your units. So this 9 times 10 raised to the power 3, we can have it as 9 milliamperes. So this milliamperes still represents this 10 raised to the power 3. So right here is the answer, 9 milliamperes. So that means the current passing through a 2 kilo ohm resistor when the voltage drop is 18. When the voltage drop across it is 18 volts, is 9 milliampere. So that's it for example 3. So we are going to be looking at one more example in the next part of this video.